Okay, looking at radio button and checkbox. Okay, I just want to add one stuff here. It's not compulsory you put it, but I just want to show you something about you. Maybe you want to tell the user to write some detailed information about themselves. So let's just see, we're going to use text area. Because I remember I forgot to talk about text area and the aspect of text area. So this is how to use the text area part. So after introducing the text area tag, put the codes, that's like the column part of this, then put the size maybe 30. Then for the rows, put the size, let's say maybe 40. Save. So let's check what I just did here now. So this is the box I just did. Where's the about you? It's not showing. Is it because of this box is too big? Let me scroll down first. Seriously. Okay, let's do something. I'm going to put a break tag here. Let's check again. Okay, very good. But this stuff is too long. What's happened? Let's reduce it. Let's say this one. Let's say this one is 15. 20. Save. Okay. Let's put this one as 30. Save. Sorry, let's go back to 20. Put this one as 45. I'm just adjusting. Okay, it's okay like this. You get the gist. So that's it. So expand this horizontal part is the aspect of the codes, while the rows is this vertical part to make it long. So that's just the box. So let's can write story, especially girls can write about themselves, forget themselves along with it. Okay, so that's it. So let's go on. So now we're looking at radio button. That's our major focus here. So radio button and check box. What we're going to do now, I'm going to put it before this about you aspect. So I will just put it before that about you aspect, and let me just use let me use a comment also. How is HTML comment? Okay, yeah, like this. So let's say radio button and checkbox. That's what we want to do next on that here. Okay, it's not compulsory you write it too. I'm just writing just to so it can be all that, so you won't get confused with all the text. All the codes packed everywhere. Okay, so down here, that's where I want to focus on the radio and the radio button and checkbox. So let's put another new label here, and I will name this label user type. Okay, user type. Sorry, go back. Back. Okay, user type. So I'll put the input tag. The input tag, as usual, the type. So the type here would be guess. Mind you, this radio is not FM radio. It's just like I would like it's like a bullet, but you'll see how it is. Don't worry, you'll see how it is. So that's it. So I've put one input here. So what you need to put beside this input is another label. Okay, so this label, let's name this one admin. So we're going to repeat again. Put input, put type, radio, put another label, and let's name this label student. So let me save this. So I just saved this now. So let's check and see what radio looks like. You can see how radio looks like. If I click on this, let me space it. It's close to this about you. Break tag. Let me put a break tag. Break. Save. Let's go back again. Okay, good. So we have seen something like this in sign up, whereby if I click on this now, that means I've selected this, that I'm an admin, I'm not a student. So if you're a student, you select that you're a student, something like that in the sign up. So that's what radio is, not radio FM. Okay. So let's go to the next one, checkbox, right? Now let me show you how to do the checkbox aspect. To do the checkbox, again, let's use another example. Let me write another label here, and let's use language this time as the user requirements to sign up. So I'm using language. Let me break this to take us to a new line. So language, input tag, type of input tag. So what I'm going to put here, I'm doing checkbox. What I'm going to put here as the input type, checkbox. Okay. So beside the checkbox, put a label. Label. Since we are talking about language this time, let's put English for the first one. Input type box close. Okay. Checkbox language English. Okay, so put another language here. Let's make this one. What should we use? French. Okay, let me just stop with these two options. Save. Let's just let me break this so it won't join with this about you again. Break. You notice I'm breaking it towards the ending of the stuff. So break. Okay. You can see English, French. You can choose to put these two in a new line. Also, you can do this one to put each of them in a new line. For you to do that, just go back to this we're doing. This is your label part. Just put break tag there. Break. Save. Let's see. You can see it has taken us to a new line. That user type, that type. Let me put a break tag here. Break. Go back. You can see everything is now like this. That's if you don't want it to be in one line format. It just depends on your own particular style. So this is for checkbox. So I can choose to check this like a tick that my language is English, then continue. So if it's French, you will tick that it is French. So it just depends on your choice. Okay. So that's it for this aspect. Is there something else you may need to know? I think that may be added features in CSS, so let me not mention it now so you won't get overwhelmed with too much information here. So let's just stop here. So that's it for the aspect of the radio button and checkbox. So see you in the next lecture.